welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm just gonna chat about really fun topic, how to use fashion to improve our life. Fashion has a bad reputation, such as, oh, if you are interested in, you might be rich, or you are kind of great, you are too superficial, or something like that. But I truly believe fashion is a good way to improve your life in a lot of ways, and I think that's a privilege as a human, because we are the only creature who wear clothing. I know some pets, they also wear clothing, but they don't wear them by themselves. So I just want to share some ways you can use clothing and fashions to improve your life in various ways. Anyway, without much further ado, let's get right into it. First, I use fashion to improve relationships, especially with my friends or my mom. Getting older and older, it's kind of hard to find a common topic to talk about, especially with my mom, but I want to have a good relationship with my mom. So me and my mom like to go to shopping. Not all the time, but we like to talk about some clothing. Our favorite brand to shop is usually Zara and H&M, so we like to look around the website and talk about the new items in this season. So by having a conversation and by having the same interest, I can spend more time with her, so I feel like we are getting closer and closer. And it's really fun. We just look around the website. When the sale season comes, we go there together and try them out, and we buy some of them. I also like to talk about clothing with my friends, and sometimes I go shopping. We just share our ideas on clothing, such as, oh, do you think it looks good on me? So we can have a better decisions. I'm kind of stubborn. Not stubborn, but I like to decide by myself. I also think it's fun sharing our ideas on the same style, because we have so many different ideas and I think that's quite fascinating. So changing clothing in the fitting room and talking about the style is pretty fun, and that's also a good exercise, I guess. The second way I use my clothing to make my life better is definitely workout outfit. I also share workout outfits of a week, so you can definitely go and check them out. I don't like buy expensive workout clothing I want, but that's gonna destroy my bank account, so I don't do that. But cute workout outfit makes me wanna go outside and be more active and go to the gym and feel better. So it's like a good cycle, I guess. And there are so many good workout brands at a reasonable price. So if you find a good brand fitting your body well and you feel great about your body, so that really motivates me to be more active. So I use workout outfits to be more active and to work out. Thus, the third way I use my clothing to improve my life is related to productivity. It's easy to be lazy at home, especially if you are in not organized pajamas. I don't have any bias about pajamas. I love them. But pajamas, they have also different stages of pajamas. Some pajamas are cute and they are clean, but some pajamas, they are not. You just wear them because you cannot wear them outside. Just wear pajamas, decent pajamas, not like disorganized pajamas such as old t-shirt or something like that. You don't have to be perfect. I'm not perfect. I don't look that much good at home. I don't care, to be honest. If I'm at home alone with my family members at home, who cares? I could be ugly as much as I want without any concerns. That's awesome. But if you wear kind of clean and nice pajamas, although you are at home, in my opinion, I become more productive. And for me, productivity is really, really important, and being disciplined in my way is important for me. So I'm trying to wear nice clothing at home as well. Not like too much fancy stuff. Usually I wear a lot of shorts from H&M, and they're like $3. Literally, I got them on sale, so they are pretty cheap. Wear cheap but kinda cute and presentable outfits at home as well. That's one of my tips, and that's gonna help you to be a bit more productive and less lazy at home. The last tip I wanna share is use clothing for making you more excited about the future. I want to give an example of a trip with my friends. Before going to trip, I just like to talk about, oh, what are you gonna wear? I'm gonna wear this clothing. What are your thoughts on it? Just like talking about the clothing I'm wearing for the trip makes me more excited about the trip, and that kind of increased my expectation level. So although the trip hasn't come yet, I just feel the excitement and the joy. I have a better mood in general, so I also like to talking about clothing, and also like kinda have a plan which clothing I'm gonna pack for the trip. That's really fun. Sometimes me and my friends, we decide to go to shop or getting new clothing for the trip, so we kind of have a theme. Also thinking about what kinds of clothing we are gonna wear for the photos and the pose we are gonna do for the photos. That's kind of spice up the whole journey, the trip. So I use clothing for amplifying my excitement in life. Maybe you can apply that in other fields. You have an exam, but usually people don't like to take an exam. But think of an outfit for the exam, such as, oh, I got this t-shirt a few days ago. I might wear them for the exam, like kind of to make you feel better. I don't know, just like kind of have a better expectation or assignment about the future. So in that sense, clothing might be helpful, in my opinion. Yeah, so these are the tips I want to share for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and comment down below how you use your clothing or fashion to improve your life and improve yourself. It's limitless if you are creative enough, so yeah, we can come up with better ideas. This is I rarely shop because I think I've had a lot of clothing right now, and I'd like to mix and match them and be more creative. And this is I rarely go out and kind of have a plans with my friends, because of COVID. I spent a lot of time at home, so this is I focus on my home wear outfits, kind of having clean and decent clothing. I'm doing my best. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.